Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving out of Cherry Gardens through Russell Heights and towards Barbican. So this is a very popular route that persons use to bypass the traffic in the morning. So we're going to take a quick tour. We are currently in Cherry Gardens. This is Upper Carmel, and this road is very popular, or it's used a lot in the morning and in the evenings because a lot of persons use it to bypass the traffic on the main roads. So you can see the sleeping policeman, and that's put there to help control the speeding through the area. Alright, so we're now going on to the Russell Heights main road, and you're going to see a lot of these sleeping policemen as we take the tour, because unfortunately, well, you guys have seen the videos that we put up. There's a lot of indiscipline on the roads, and speeding through these residential areas is also a problem. So this is the Russell Heights main road now, but this is still the Cherry Gardens area. Alright, we're now coming up to the border of Cherry Gardens and Russell Heights. So this is the border now. On the right is Salem Avenue. So we're now in Russell Heights. Alright, so straight ahead now is Barbican Road. Turn left, you take Barbican Road towards Barbican Square. Turn right, you take Barbican Road towards the Grand Spend area. taking Barbican Road towards the Grand Spend area or the Arcadia area. Alright, so we're going to make a U-turn here and head back towards the other end of Barbican Road that will take us towards the Barbican town center. Alright. Barbican Square is a better word because Barbican isn't really a town, it's just an area in the city of Kingston, so I think Barbican Center would be better. Barbican Square, I mean. So this is where we came from, so if we turn left here, we go back into the Russell Heights area. Wow, that white car, I don't know, I guess they just watched Fast and Furious. They saw the way they went around that corner or made the U-turn. Alright, so this is now the Barbican Square. On the left, turn right, you go to East Kings House Road. That takes you back to Hope Road. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.